At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Meeting minutes are simply a written summary of what happens during a meeting. They capture the key discussions, highlight important points, and note anything that needs to be documented. Meeting minutes are especially important in corporate and board meetings to keep things organised. In healthcare, they're super useful for helping teams stay on the same page, remain accountable, and ensure both patient care and daily operations run smoothly. Think of meeting minutes as a detailed recap of the previous meeting. They list who was there, what was on the agenda, what was talked about, any decisions made, and the tasks or actions assigned to specific people, along with their deadlines. When meeting minutes are clear and accurate, even those who couldn't attend can stay in the loop. Effective note-taking during a staff or board meeting is an important form of documentation. Effective meeting minutes should include the following essential elements: meeting date and time, attendees, agenda items, key discussions, action items, meeting summary, next steps, and next meeting date and time. A meeting minutes template is a pre-formatted tool that helps you record key points, track tasks, and enhance accountability. It ensures important details like attendees, location, and action items are captured without the hassle of creating your own format. Organised chronologically, the template can be filled out digitally or printed for handwritten notes, making it easy to keep meetings clear and well documented. You can follow the simple steps to use our meeting notes PDF and streamline your meetings. Here are the steps. Firstly, fill out the meeting details. Add the meeting details in the space provided. These details include the meeting name, venue, start time, attendees, and apologies. Next, add agenda items. The meeting agenda can be added before the meeting to save time. It is divided according to each item and who will be presenting them. Discussion points. Following agenda items, you can transcribe any discussion points that arose in the table provided. Fill out action items. The last table is for filling in action items or tasks. This table includes an owner for each task and a date to review the task's progress to improve accountability and transparency. Store your document. Finally, store the completed meeting minutes template in a secure and accessible location so all team members can access it when needed. Here is a sample of our meeting notes template to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.